Welcome to Barb's Crochet Den. So today what I'm going to do is I decided I'm going to make this video and then I'm going to branch off videos onto the projects I'm doing. So each project has its own videos. We're going to see how that works. But today, since I'm going to show you them all, my projects are being made with these crochet hooks I got off of Amazon a while back. Oh, these are two different colors. And the sizes are here at the bottom. So this hook is the 3.5 millimeter, and I'm using this one on my wall hanging that I'm making, and I'll explain that one in a minute. This one is just the clear 6 millimeter. This one I'm using on a blanket. I decided to try these because I bought them a while back, but I haven't used them. And they came in this pack. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hooks. Oh, dropped that one there. Oh, you can see the color so much better. Okay, and these are all the hooks that it came with. So we've got a 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's 2.5. 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and a 6 millimeter is the size it came with. So these are the two I'm currently using. So I'll put this one back. Now, I started this blanket. It is a Hocus Pocus blanket I'm making. So I'm making a cat. It's going to be cat, the cat blanket. Using a 6 millimeter hook for it. Let me set that down now. And what I did was I started making it, but I was originally going to make a star blanket with this yarn. And I picked 5 colors to make it with. I didn't have pink, but I did have these colors. I have a slime, I have a yellow, pumpkin, a violet, and this is the one I started with. This neon. Oh, it's red heart. It is red heart called Bright Stripe. And I figured perfect Hocus Pocus colors. But since I was thinking of making a star blanket. I wanted 5 colors. Since I've changed it, seeing that one stripe, I was like, you know what? Pink would go great. Didn't have pink. That's where the wall hanging comes in. So I didn't have the pink. I had to order it. And I'm going to do a stripe of the black yarn. That's why I have this black yarn. I don't normally keep black yarn. I only get it when I need it. And I needed it. I do have a black with like a gold thread that I might use. I just don't know if I'd have enough. So I got this just in case. But a lot of my wall hangings call for black. Like I said, I didn't have pink. So I put it in order to Michael's. And the reason why is because I had this violet color. I think this is the violet color. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I got this violet color for the Hocus Pocus blanket. Now, I only had 2. And since I calculated enough for the star blanket when I got the yarn, because I started with the variegated. So I calculated enough for a star blanket. However, I'm not making a star blanket anymore. So I did get 2 more violet. So now I have 4 violet to go for that blanket. And like I said, I wanted pink. And they had this pretty pink right here. This is violet. This is the pink. This one is called fuchsia. I believe this is the fuchsia one. Where is it? Well, isn't that interesting? You know what? I just saw it on here too. Oh, there it is, neon violet. So it should be, yes, fuchsia. So this one's fuchsia. And I did end up getting 4 of these. Ow. But on the, you know what? Crap. I'm sorry. Putting these together, they're not the same. They are not the same. And you know what's funny? This fuchsia is darker than this fuchsia, but they're the same lot number. Same lot number, but they're dark. Huh. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay, all of these. Let me see the fourth one, because they're all the same lot number. But this one looks darker than the rest. Huh. So I got that fuchsia to go with the violet, but I also saw this neon pink. So I'm thinking this one seemed more pastel on the website, which is why I got this one. But seeing these together, these two are so close, I think I'm going to use this neon pink. So I'll have to use the fuchsia for something else. And I got 4 of each. So this is neon pink. Let's see if all the colors are the same, because I got 4 of these too. And yes, all this yarn is going to be used. It's all going to be used. But 1045. Okay, these two are different lots. To me, this one seems a little bit darker. These two are different lots as well. I wonder if it matters because... Are you serious right now? The only ones that are the same lot number are these two. It's okay. Because the pinks are not going to be touching. So I think it'll be alright. I think it'll be okay. Since the colors are not going to be touching. That is a lot of bright colors. So I'm going to end up putting all those with my other Hocus Pocus yarns. They're all going to be together. I need to put this one in there too because I'm going to have just one row of black cats on that blanket. So all that is going to go with the other rest of the Hocus Pocus yarn. The skeins that I'm working with are going to go in here. So I've got 2 slime, 2 yellow, 2 on a partial pumpkin. I've got 4 violet. Oh, I do need to pull out the pink. I need to put a pink in here because I don't have that in here right now. And then when I get to the black, I'll pull it out and put it with it. Okay, that is the Hocus Pocus blanket. I started it, couldn't finish it because I had to wait for the pink yarn to come in, which it did 2 days ago. I haven't been able to do anything else with it or make a video because one, work, hence the sunburn. So I wasn't able to do any real crocheting on that because I was waiting for the order. It did come in 2 days ago, but I was doing other stuff. Like the other day, we went and my daughter got her car. And today we're taking that car to the mechanic in about an hour. So I'm going to have to get ready for that. And then right after I got to go to work. So I won't be home till about 5, 6 o'clock tonight. That's why I'm making this video quickly. I paid a bill. I got to get ready. And we're going to drop her car off at the mechanic. And then I'm going to go right to work. And she's going to have my car for a while. They're going to tell us. They're going to call me, tell me everything with her car, and then we'll go pick it up. Now, since I couldn't work on that, like I said, I don't like having more than one project on my hook at a time. But yeah, I did it again. I should really quit saying that because I did it again. So this hook, the 3.5 millimeter, which honestly I think is a little, I should have used a 2.5, but I don't think I could use a 2.5 millimeter hook again for these. I'm making a wall hanging. This is how far I've gotten. And this wall hanging was supposed to be half this size. I didn't realize it was going to be so big. I say that with every wall hanging, and it is really true. Because these look like they're supposed to be really small wall hangings. But in the end, I don't mind. So this is going to be a heart. Obviously, I think. I mean, I think it's obvious. It might not be. But I do think it's obvious. So I'm using stitch fiddle. And let me see if I can show you what it's supposed to look like without giving anything away. Sorry, I live with animals and there was a hair on there. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And this wall hanging is for me. And I believe I got that one off Etsy as well. I'm pretty sure this is one of the ones I purchased off Etsy. This is what I have so far. It's just plain red, white, blue, which is tangled in with the black for another project. Oh, you know what? Oh, I made a mistake. That black for the... Oh, this blue is also supposed to be for another project. I'm not sure I have enough blue for that project then. I probably will. But this project is in my grumpy bag. It's my favorite bag for projects, small projects. My mom got me this bag a long time ago. My mom passed away last year, but she got me that bag, and that is my go-to project bag. So that's what I'm doing. And then for the other, I pulled this out for the Hocus Pocus blanket, but it's actually not the same green. Slightly disappointed. So for the other blanket, I was making these yarn balls. This is as far as I've gotten because I'm not exactly sure how big I need these to be. So I need to make the yarn balls for those, which I probably will end up doing here over the next few days because I need to recount how many of them I need and then make them. But the problem is it's the big mega ball of yarn and I don't want to divide all of them up if I don't need to. So I might go with maybe that size of ball and then we'll go from there. See what else I need. So I think after this video, my Hocus Pocus blanket is going to be one set of videos. This wall hanging is going to be one set of videos. And then the other blanket is going to be a set of videos because that blanket's going to take forever. The Hocus Pocus blanket is probably, if I can get the pattern down, it's probably going to be like a go-to crochet at night thing. The wall hanging will be crochet before work type of thing. And I did find a video on YouTube for an Aldi market bag. It's actually on my TV right now. That I kind of want to try actually with this variegated yarn. So if I have any of this variegated yarn left over, I'll probably make one of those market bags. So other than that, I will see you next time. I have a car to get to the mechanic. I have work to go to. Hopefully I don't get much more sunburnt because, oh my gosh, this is killing me. My nose hurts so bad today and right here. I'm using sunscreen, but it's not working. So I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe,